Ani bojo asin nakaazan ani kinawaya ani Anishinabemowin bojo. Welcome to Kanzee jiibaakwe gamgoong. Kanzee in the kitchen. I want you to pay attention because I'm going to be throwing some niche word bombs at ya. Oh yeah, at you, okay, over there? So pay attention because there's going to be a pop quiz at the end of the video. Yeah. So the first one, Kanzee jiibaakwe gamgoong. Kanzee's in the kitchen. And so that's what we're doing. Kanzee's cooking. Oh, bindigank. Kinawaya. Now, majtada. Let's start. Majtada. We jiibaakwe. He's going to cook. Let's check it out. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. Waboos Jim. Waboos Jim. It's rabbit food. Uh-oh, emergency. I'll be right back. Gotta get some supplies. Kanzee forgot his supplies.
One eternity later.
Whew! We're back. We're in the bunker. Anishinaabe prepper bunker. All that food in the box. Lots of boxes everywhere. Kanzee's cuckoo when it comes to being prepared. Yeah, cuckoo. Okay, there's his inventory list. He's crazy about that stuff. Can't get enough of that stuff. And that's tonight's missing item. Yum, yum, yum. Preppered delicacy. Yeah. Okay. Let's get going, Kanzee. Come on, get that thing off. Yeah. Nishin. Good. Oh, Nishin. Oh. Bubble. Lots of trouble. Biish. Chicken meat. Biish. Excellent. It's missing something. I'll go get it. Oh, you got it. Good. Whew, I had to chase that chicken all over town. Okay, here we go. Don't forget the biish. Water. Biish. Nakaazan. Jiibaakwe. He's using the water to cook with. Oh, look at that. Nishin maanda. This is good. Cover it up. Yeah. Naadimaagemgak. Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. I've got to spice that dish up for sure. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, no. We forgot. Don't give up, Kanzee. I know you're prepared. We can do this. Keep looking. Oh, look, we're sure. Yeah! We win! Okay, let's get to work. Ambe, let's go. Yeah, ginger, garlic. Oh, wasagan. That's pepper, okay? Pepper, wasagan. Oh, that's that Japanese ink. Oh, Kanzee loves that ink. Spread it all over, Kanzee. Put it everywhere. Ah! Yep. Come on, buddy. Good job. Yeah. Mommy Min, I'm proud of you. Now, oh, that's my portion. That's mine. That's mine, okay? Yeah, yeah, that's mine. Oh, I love prepper dishes. Delish. Nishin. Okay, now stick around because we are going to do a little pop quiz on some of the words used in this video. Naha.
A few moments later.
Ani. Oh, it's so good to see you all today. Oh, you stuck around. I'm so proud of you. Mommy Min. So, we're going to do a short recap on the words and phrases I used in this video. Okay, here we go. The first word is, or should I say phrase, is Kanzee jiibaakwe gamgoong. Again, Kanzee jiibaakwe gamgoong. You have 10 seconds. Okay. Good. Now, jiibaakweyin. Weos. You have 15 seconds. Go. The third word is biish nakaazan jiibaakwe. And good and mean one nagakit. I'll say it again. Biish nakaazan jiibaakwe. Biish nakaazan jiibaakwe. 10 seconds. Go. Midaswe. Youngswe. Troswe. Nishwaswe. Gdwaswe. Nanin. Niwin. Swe. Nish. Bedek. Kagego. Now, Nishin. Okay, bonus round. Are you ready? Nishin, maanda, naadimaagemgak, biish. Okay? One more time I say it to you. Minwagudin. Here we go. Nishin, maanda, naadimaagemgak, biish. Okay, you got 10 seconds. Here you go. Okay, Nishin. Well, thanks for playing. I really appreciate your time, your attention, and your love. And Kazagan. Miigwech, kawabme. Till next time, this is ASIN with Kanzee in the kitchen. Cooking with Kanzee. Bamapi, kiwabman.